doing? I hope you're having a great summer. Mine is going semi-decent now. My good friend is visiting me, but I am taking a little moment out to record this Boxy Charm review opening. You know, I will probably record it and not post it for a while. No, that is my goal this month, is to post it as soon as I record it. So hopefully in a couple of days you will see this. So I'm not exactly sure. Is this a really late July box or a really early August box? I'm not sure. But we are back with our little cards in the box. This one is Sunshine box. It's really cute. Got some lemons and some water going on, which I wish I had some water going on because I love to swim. I am dying to go swimming, but I guess I just have to wait again because it doesn't look like that is in my future, or my near future anyway. So the box is heavy and rightly proportioned, I feel like, this month. So no complaints about the boxing this month, I promise. So let's just open it up. And the first thing on the box is a So the first thing on the list is Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster. A powerful mix of pineapple, watermelon, and green tea extracts come together to create the ultimate all-in-one serum. So this is a serum from Clean Skin Club. Why can't I say that? Okay. So this is a serum from the Clean Skin Club. And you can mix this. Okay, you can mix 3 drops to enhance your current cream or serum to be applied in the morning or evening, or you can apply 3 drops directly to your face and neck after cleansing. Let's open it. If you want to see the packaging, this is it. I like what it says it does. It says it supercharges your skin or your cream to firm and brighten the appearance of your skin while naturally gives a younger, rejuvenated, regenerated, look. Oh, it's such a pretty bottle. So it's kind of got that see-through blue bottle look. Very fancy. And that retails for $49.95. I am really looking forward to using that. So next we have a Hourglass Arch Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil. And this is what the packaging looks like. So let's just pop this open. Oh, it has a paper inside. I've never had a paper inside a sculpting brow pencil before. Oh, it really does give you directions. That's interesting. Whoa. This is a twist pencil. That is a tiny, 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 tiny. Wow. Look how tiny that is. Like, wow. And that is the mark it leaves. That I'm looking forward to trying that. It's in ash, so that will be perfect for my new hair color. Let's see what instructions for a brow micro sculpting pencil. Twist up slightly until product reveals itself. Outline your desired brow shape and fill in any sparse areas using small strokes. Use brush on other end to blend and groom brows. Oh wait, it has another end. Oh, it does. Can you see the brush? Like, I don't know. There it is. I didn't even know that. Well, that's interesting. It's cute. Let's just say that much. It's cute. And that retails for $28. Ah, that must be a really good little brush for $28. Okay, so the next thing on the agenda is Ace Beauty Bronzed in Paradise palette. The Bronzed in Paradise palette is an addition to the much-loved Paradise collection. For bronzers, shades are featured to provide a natural sun-kissed look. Can be layered on top of a liquid cream or other powered complexion products. And it is $30 on retail. And it's a beautiful palette. And I laughed when I opened this because, can you imagine me using that? Yeah, so let's just not show you the mirror and show you those colors. Yeah, so that will go into the giveaway that I have stored away that I need to get going for y'all. I really need to get that going. So yes, that was retailed for $30. So next we have a Grace and Stella Anti-Wrinkle Energizing Eye Mask. And there's 12 pairs. This is a suffering from dark circles, puffy eyes, fine lines, and general fatigue around your eyes. Perk them up as if you've just had 8 hours of sleep with these eye masks. They revitalize and rejuvenate the tired eyes, leaving you looking more awake and youthful. And these retail for $21. If it does all that, I would pay $21. So here is the packaging. It says it's like an energy drink for your eyes. Anti-wrinkle and energizing eye mask. So let's see if I can open it up. So now, 5 hours later, I am getting into the mask, and they are packaged like so. That is just so cute. I will be trying those out very fast because I am always looking tired. Okay, so next we have the Ola Neon Liquid Lipstick. I'm not so sure about this color because it's a little dark looking. But it says that this is retailed for $17. And it should be an all-day wear. Minimum touch-up. Oh, and this is the beautiful packaging. And this is the beautiful sparkly case. But this color is a little too intense for me. Does not have a smell, but that is the color. And I will probably be putting this in the giveaway. So I will not swap it. But I just know it's too dark for me. It's called the Easy Sale. Yeah. Okay. So that will go in the giveaway. And that is the end of the BoxyCharm. I love the facial stuff. I'm glad I got a brow because I'm about to have to thin these brows out due to the fact that I've been letting them grow. And I'm very pleased with this box. Having gotten things that I can put in the giveaway for you guys and getting some facial products for my skin for me, I am very happy about that. So it was a good box. I will let you know about how the products turned out for me, and I will try to list them all below. So yeah, there it is. Everything you'll need to know is in the description. And that is all for me today. So I'm going to be signing off now. I hope that you like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, be your own beautiful.